When we started using Aquaritin 19, what we found was it really opened our eyes to different scenarios, different ways to use the product. The biggest thing we saw was rebound effect from a stressed turf situation. But if we got ahead of the stress situation and made sure the applications were timed around member guests or big tournaments, we could go to lower heights and water usage still was reduced. We did have to hand water from time to time, but not nearly as often as we did when we weren't using the product. We just found that the product helped us achieve the goals that we needed to achieve and the results that our members expected. Helped us with that silica really give the plant the ability to withstand the heat stress and the drought stress that we saw this summer. So when we use these products on fairways or tees or greens, what we saw was the products we mixed with it made them more efficient throughout the year, which meant less mowing when we were using our growth regulators. Since we were able to get away with less nitrogen, the plant never really went through a stress period. We were able to see that the grass would still grow with less inputs, which meant we had to mow less. We had to blow less. We had to do all the different things that superintendents have to do on a daily basis. It really gave us time to work on details on the golf course, to do the little things that members appreciate. So at the last golf course I was at, we actually used Aquaritin 19 and Defend as standalone products. We supplemented those products with traditional fungicides, traditional wetting agents, traditional nitrogen sources, and we just used it as a standalone product. I wanted to really test and see if we would see a decline in turf, if we would see a jump in turf growth, what we would see at the end of the day. And what we found is in a 2-month period, we were able to use those products as a standalone product and still achieve the same goals that we were using when we were with what we saw with the other products mixed in with the Aquaritin 19. So with the products from Aquaritin, what I was able to do is I was able to sleep better at night knowing that I was doing what was right for the golf course. It also made me feel like we were able to accomplish everything that we set out to do in an easier manner.